Very cold, very windy. Once again, still at Myvatn, and there's this geothermal station to gain electricity from the steam that comes from the ground, from the volcano, from the magma underneath the earth. And it looks pretty cool, very futuristic. Maybe I can compile some clips from various facilities. It's really cool. Here's an illustration of the magma beneath the Earth's crust. I don't know what the distance would be on this one, they don't say. But this one looks interesting, that there's like a magma chamber all throughout Iceland. We are here. These are parts where two tectonic plates hit each other or move apart from each other, and it opens a lot of space for the magma to come much closer to the top of the Earth's crust, and that creates a lot of land. This shower runs 24/7, and it's warm water, and it just comes from the ground. It's got very nice temperature, but the location is very inconvenient because it's right next to the road, and the road is very busy. So I don't know who takes a naked shower here. It doesn't make much sense. And it's always windy, so once you're done showering, it will be pretty cold. Now check out one more area that I haven't been at yet. Something with geothermal activity, so should be good. Let's have a look. This is a lava field, huge area. Not so long ago, this all was lava, magma. Now you can walk on it. Nice. Oh, that's a nice crack. I really want to climb in that now. Oh shit, destroying the moss. The ground is very delicate. Oh, some filthy sheep moved on the nice mud. Goddamn sheeps. The mud is so nice, but I've got all these footsteps in it. I think I need to have a serious conversation with the sheep. That just can't continue. There's the offending sheep. Let's ask what the hell they think walking through the mud. Hey sheep, why you walk through the mud? Tell me, why you have to walk through the mud? No answer? Nothing? Is that how you treat me? With silence? Goddamn sheep, just sitting there and eating grass. Well, do you think this is what innocent sheep look like? I don't think so. They are guilty as sheep. Very guilty. Yeah, this is what guilty sheep do. There's even more sheep. Oh, they run. Sheep on the run. They are guilty. These are guilty. I like the sheep, very cute. But they ruin all the landscape, like us humans. We also ruin the landscape. Well, fair deal.